SYEA has come a long way. We would like to thank all of our ecosystem partners who have believed in us and have supported us all along the way to bring our dreams to reality. Firstly, I would like to thank SCAPE, NTUC USME, and OSG Youth Alliances for your support to bring SYEA to the next level. More than just an award, the concept of SYEA is to create an ongoing, sustainable business ecosystem for successful and budding entrepreneurs to network, learn, and contribute to each other's experiences and give back to the society. The key concept of its business programs is to create sustainable network, both locally and internationally, to provide mentorship and to enhance financial accessibility for the participating youth entrepreneurs and also SMEs. All award nominees and partners will thus have the opportunity to participate in exclusive business programs, networking sessions, mentorships, VC matchmaking sessions, as well as various corporate social responsibility programs.
Run biannually, the award aims to honor and empower local youth entrepreneurs who have achieved both commercially outstanding results and socially impactful initiatives through their business in the new norm. 30 award winners will be our future ambassadors of change. They will go on to champion sustainable business solutions and best practices in their respective industries in 2021, while also identified to be mentors for the next batch of SYEA nominees in 2022 and beyond. The 6 award categories of SYEA are the following: health and well-being, quality education, women empowerment, jobs creation and economic growth, innovative industrialization, and responsible supply chain. They are aligned with the 6 UN SDG, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and JCI Marina Singapore believes that this category will lead and drive for business sustainability for the future. SYEA is officially open for nominations right now. Let's hear what our partners have got to say about SYEA.
Because even though entrepreneur is in the name of SYEA, but the entrepreneurial spirit is much more. It's not just about being an entrepreneur. It is about being, willing to dream big, having the courage to go into uncharted territories, to try things, to innovate, to be resilient, to seek out cooperation. And this actually also goes beyond just entrepreneurs. I think for us, for those of us who have decided to take the path as an entrepreneur, sometimes you go in and out of entrepreneurship. But the spirit of entrepreneur is more pervasive and lasts longer than that. And so I think entrepreneurial would be how I would describe SYEA.
I think we contribute to the SYEA in terms of bringing in experts and perspective and mentors from China. Due to our members' exposure in China and presence in China, they are very eager to reach out to Singapore entrepreneurs so that they could be understanding China better, and they are able to do mentoring as well as offer opportunities for business connection. So that's, I think, OSG will be able to help SYEA in this area.
By partnering with JCI Marina and be part of the inaugural SYEA, we hope to inspire and nurture more youth entrepreneurs for providing a platform to celebrate the achievements of outstanding youths who have displayed entrepreneurial qualities and recognize their contributions to the startup ecosystem.
Are very excited to be part of this program, and I think we'll play a very important role in actually working with JCI Marina to co-create some of these business programs and opportunities for young entrepreneurs. But more importantly, with our ground youth networks and youth executive committees on the ground, we hope to be able to be that link and the bridge to connect young entrepreneurs to individuals or the local communities and really help these people in the local communities.
COVID-19 has impacted operations and cash flow of many businesses, so it is vital to rethink business model and strategies in this new normal. To all the SMEs and entrepreneurs, NTUC is here to support you and your employees throughout this journey. I would like to urge you to tap onto the resources and series of business programs that we have prepared together with SYEA to upskill, be innovative, and be resilient in the new normal economy.
How we came out with this platform is to bring upon this empowerment to the entrepreneurs here in Singapore, mainly with the 6 main key UNSDG goals itself. So with that in mind, you're able to tackle very key issues in Singapore, and after which utilizing this particular platform that we have to bring upon the vision that you have in mind, to solve and to empower and to allow people or the consumers or even the users themselves to feel empowered to really enjoy the benefits of this product that you have.
One word that I would like to use to describe SYEA is commitment.
Entrepreneurial.
Have fun.
Building.
Resilience.
Enterprising.
Teamwork.
Aspiration.
Innovative.
Innovation. Creative. Empowerment.